Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving right into the world of budget management on teamwork.com, specifically focusing on how to monitor and manage budget overruns. Mastering this skill can significantly enhance your project management abilities, so let's get started. First up, we need to set up a project budget. Navigate to the Projects module, select your project, and then click on Settings. From there, select Budget and enter your planned budget. This is the financial blueprint for your project, and it's crucial to establish it before moving forward. It gives you a benchmark to measure your actual spending against, helping you to identify any potential overruns. Now that we've done that, the next step is to track your expenses. In the Finance tab, click on Expenses and begin inputting your project's costs. The reason we do this is to have a real-time record of what's being spent on the project. This will help us identify if we're staying within our budget or heading towards an overrun. Next up, we're going to set up alerts for potential overruns. Go back to the Budget section under Settings and select Set Up Alerts. Here, you can specify when you want to be notified, for instance, when you've used up 75% of your budget. This helps us because it gives us a heads up before an overrun happens, allowing us to adjust our spending or renegotiate the budget if necessary. After setting up alerts, it's time to review and analyze the budget report regularly. Under the Reports tab, select Budget Report. This will show you a detailed breakdown of your spending. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. Teamwork.com is comparing your actual expenses with your planned budget, highlighting any discrepancies. Regular reviews allow us to spot trends and pinpoint where overruns are occurring, giving us the insights we need to take corrective action. Lastly, if an overrun does occur, use the Reschedule tool under the Plan tab. This tool allows you to shift tasks and deadlines to accommodate the overrun and mitigate its impact. Let me explain why this matters. It helps you to manage the situation proactively rather than reactively, reducing the overall impact on the project. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide on how to monitor and manage budget overruns in teamwork.com. By setting up a budget, tracking expenses, setting alerts, reviewing reports, and rescheduling tasks, you can stay on top of your project's financial health and effectively manage any overruns. Thanks for watching, and remember, effective budget management is key to successful project outcomes.